Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make PC817 Optocoupler Tester. For this basic electronic circuit, you will need 1 watt LED, resistor 100 ohms, jumper wires, breadboard, 3.7 volt battery, 3.7 volt battery holder, and optocouplers for testing. Let's start making the circuit. Fix all the jumper wires, LED and 100 ohm resistors in the breadboard as I am doing in this video. And if you need the circuit diagram of this circuit, I have given it at the end of this video. And now the optocoupler tester is completed. I have 3 optocouplers. Let's test one by one. This one is not working, so we will test the next one. This one is working. And this one also working. Please like, share and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.